Friction? Bhaiya, what is gravity? What's the difference between friction and gravity? No, Bhaiya, I still don't understand it. Please explain it to me. No, now, I want it right now. Abhi, tell me right now. If you know who I'm talking about, then this girl really needs no introduction. Her curiosity and intensity knows no bounds. Always looking for an answer, she is never satisfied even after getting the answer. One of her everyday sentences is, Bhaiya, I don't understand. And she won't stop until you make her understand. She's probably the most curious human being I have ever come across. This is none other than Manisha from the 6th standard.
This student is known for all her curiousness in the classroom, asking and making sure, Didi, what did you give? Didi, what are you saying? Didi, how did this come from this? So she has a lot of questions and she earned the title of the Curiosity Queen this year. So the Curiosity Queen award goes to Divya from 7th. Divya, congratulations.
So I'm going to introduce you to another curious kid. Rather, I would say a person who just wants to learn everything around her. Now, she learned how to make PDFs, and the first thing that she does is that she goes and she makes a PDF of a news article and sends to me just because it's fun. Okay, and then on a holiday, she sends me a message saying, "Oh, Didi, I'm feeling bored. Can you send me some questions? I want to do something." Or, "Can you teach me something new? Can you send me some news articles?" And I'm like, okay, slow down. But the good thing is that this student has constantly asked more and more questions, which has also contributed to better learning, you see. So I don't complain about that. So if you have not guessed who the girl is, I'm talking about Chanchala B from 6th standard. She is totally deserving of the Curiosity Queen award. Congratulations, Chanchu. Oh, also excuse my makeup.
Curiosity Queen Award goes to Sonakshi because in this pandemic I found out that she has been very interested and willing to study. She put a lot of her efforts and asked as many questions during class session. She has been very helpful to her classmates to study and be serious in studies. She is from 4th standard but she is acting as a mature